Letter combinations from LeetCode. Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python Basics. So just kind of run through one of the awesome challenges that we did one day this week. So I'll put the link in the description down below. And there's many ways you can solve this. This is kind of middle of the road, and then there's even a recursive way to solve this with a nested function, but I'm just going to kind of walk you through a very basic, simple way to solve this problem. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one topic at a time. So what the challenge was is if you think about the old style phone, you would have letters on the numbers. So first we made a dictionary for corresponding. So you're going to be given an input string. Then you have to map to the letters that it could possibly that are available. And then what you have to do is then go through and create all the possible scenarios. So as you see here, with the possible input of 2 and 3, or 23, you actually end up getting 9 different combinations of letters, because 2 has 3 letters on it, and then 3 also has 3 letters on it. So the way that we went about doing this is it dawned on me that we were going to be I like to default and think about the rolling, like a rolling analog clock, that it flips around, starts over at 0, and then the tens place and the hundreds place, and goes so on and so on. So the way that I did this is I very much attacked as the way that, how would I make this decision as a person with our human brain? So I came through, and I'm going to, since digits is a string, I'm going to iterate through digits first. Then we act a certain way if we haven't gone through anything before. Then we're going to act a certain way if we've already had some. So came through, iterated with 2, then I created a list that goes A, B, C. Then, since there are more numbers that are going to be in this scenario, I had to come up with a way to iterate through each of these combinations, A, B, and C. Then I was going to iterate back through, and I multiplied by, because if you look really close right here, since there are 3 combinations here and 3 combinations here, the answer to this mathematically is every character that you have is a possible scenario. So that is why this ends up being 9. And of course, the longer it goes, or if you get a 7 or a 9, you're going to have 4 of those, and you would multiply that by each individual number of combinations. So these are the type of problems that we're solving every day during our live streams. So if you've not joined any of those or watched them post after they've published, I highly encourage you, because it's a live coding session. So you see how it starts from first initializing it to iterating through what is this logic solving, how do we need to attack this, what are the techniques we need to use, am I really doing what I decided for my logic? And you're getting to see this firsthand in a live scenario, and really puts it in perspective of these challenges take a while to get comfortable laying out the way that you need to write this in Python. So wanted to do this real quick video today and share what we've been working on. And make sure that you're clicking and joining the Discord server down below so that you get the help that you need and deserve on your Python journey. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.